Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a pesto pasta, but it's a little different because I'm using my spiced mixed nuts, which I've shown you guys before, and I'll put another link for you guys to be able to check it out. It's really easy. It's great if you're having people over for entertaining, family, friends, and then you can reimagine it into fun recipes like this. You can prep it in advance. You can use pasta you've already cooked, which I'm gonna do, so you can see that. And it's super easy and different. So check this out. Very little ingredients. It just uses, I have a cup of spinach and a cup of arugula. You can use just spinach if you want. You can use just arugula if you want a little more bitter action. I like a mixture. 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of arugula. We're gonna add a garlic clove. Toss it in. You gotta love a food processor because it just makes everything really easy. 1/3 cup of grated parm. 1/2 cup of the mixed nuts. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend this up. So guys, if you're new to using one of these, be really careful. Put the lid on and everything, and then plug it in. You just wanna be really safe. Okay, so let's blend this all up. I love a food processor. Okay, to this we're adding our wet ingredients. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Always use fresh lemon juice when possible, not store-bought lemon juice. Just makes everything taste so much more fresh. Okay, 1/3 cup of olive oil. What we're gonna do is while this is running, we're gonna slowly pour the olive oil through the top, okay? You can see it just turning into that awesome pesto consistency. Great. So now I'm gonna unplug it, scrape the sides, and do it again, and let's taste it for salt and pepper. Some salt and fresh ground black pepper. And then we're gonna run it again and see how it tastes. We might need to add a little bit of more salt and pepper and a little bit more lemon, but again, that's how, your guys' preference. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, now we're gonna, oh my gosh, this is looking really good. See how it's getting this beautiful consistency? That's like really good consistency for pesto pasta. So now we just have to taste it. Oh, guys, that's so good. Using the spice mixed nuts really changes it from a regular like summery pesto. It's like the flavor is richer, I want to add a little bit more salt, pepper, and a little squeeze of lemon juice, and then it's great. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Just a little bit goes a long way. I mean, I tend to overdo the lemon because I love lemon. Oh, I love pesto. And this isn't using basil. That's the other thing that's fun about it. It makes it wintry. Because we're using the different greens, it really is a different kind of pesto, and it's just so yummy. Okay, great. Let's make our pasta. Okay, cool. So when you want to put this in the fridge, just drizzle some olive oil along the top, and it prevents any kind of color change. When your pesto gets that kind of dark crust on the top, this will keep it looking bright green. So this is how you can store it in the fridge. And you guys know I'm all about a prep ahead, so prepped ahead. Okay guys, prepped ahead, pesto pasta. Check this out. This is our pesto that we made with the little olive oil on the top. And this is prepped penne pasta. I love Jovial brand, gluten-free pasta. And I find that penne holds up the best for prep ahead and then reimagining. So the fusilli is good too, but penne is kind of my go-to. Let's make some winter pesto pasta. So to the boiling water, put in as much pasta for the amount of people you're cooking for. I'm just gonna show you guys 1 serving. So we're gonna make 1 nice serving. That's looking pretty good. So this will rehydrate for about 30 seconds, and then we're gonna strain it and put it into a bowl. So So we have our rehydrated penne. Now we're gonna add our winter pesto. Yummy. And this is a personal preference of however much you want. That was about a teaspoon. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And this recipe, look at, I mean, we can use that a bunch of different ways. I love making enough that I can then reimagine it and do a few different dishes. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Isn't that beautiful? Here we go. It's really a delicious kind of pesto. It's different. Oh, it's so yummy and nutty, and it feels just really like hearty. Freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Yummy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I wish you could smell this. It's so good. Top it with some fresh parsley. I always love fresh herbs because my mom taught me that it elevates any dish. And fresh ground black pepper. If you ever want to elevate a dish, just do fresh herbs and fresh ground black pepper, and that'll help kick it up a notch. Let's taste it. So here's our final dish. You guys, that is so good. Using the spiced nuts, it immediately makes it feel holiday. Like, it's so yummy. But imagine like sitting around with your family or your friends who are visiting, or even just your family that you're hanging out with. This is such a delicious lunch, dinner, quick snack if you guys want to throw together something like this as a snack, because you guys saw how easy it was. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna wait to eat until I do okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another video. I'll see you guys soon. I'm gonna go eat this. So, cool. Thanks for hanging out.